Well, number one, get rid of the stewards. Dangerous driving is what the fans want. Dangerous driving is what the fans want.
Give the people what they want!
So if somebody does dangerous driving, I'd give them an extra five championship points. Number two, the cars have to be stronger. They have to be able to withstand, wheel-to-wheel action without bits of front wing coming off.
So Bing, and then watch, slow down, back right, front right.
All the way out there, taps the bumper.
Oh,
boy.
Anywhere to go, and he ended up getting his nose next to right.
All the way out there, you asked for it.
Oh,
no. Boy. Whoa.
And number three, the governing body needs to look at what cricket did. I'm no cricket fan, but they need to look at what cricket did. They had a 5-day boring sport and they turned it into what we saw, I didn't see, but what I'm told we saw in the final of the World Cup. Super overs and crowds chanting. I was watching the tennis, just as exciting, the Federer-Djokovic final. And meanwhile, there's Lewis Hamilton, I'll just wait for a pit stop to come in and I'll overtake Bottas that way. Off. All of you, off. I want to see Villeneuve and Arnoux wheel to wheel last lap of the French Grand Prix, and if Ferrari don't like that, they can off as well. In fact, Mercedes can off. They can all off. And Ferrari saying, oh well, we have marketing strategies, and Mercedes saying, oh, but we rely. Off the lot of you. Let's turn it into a proper sport again and not some health and safety exercise. Dangerous driving is what the fans want.
Give the people what they want!
Ile masz tam koni? A on mówi, no jak wyjeżdżał w skali produkcyjnej, to miał 72. Niezły wariaty.
Zajebiście ten łuk robi Paweł, widzisz?
Ale on teraz bliżej chodzi, bo teraz nie wiedzie.
On go zawsze, kochanie, na zewnątrz wyrzuca.
No łuk, to on teraz bliżej.
Dangerous driving is what the fans want.
Give the people what they want!
When you get to the point when I am watching a tennis final and not Silverstone, and my son, who grew up with cars obviously, is watching the cricket rather than Formula One, something is wrong with Formula One. At the moment, Formula One says, right, Azerbaijan, Sochi, wherever it may be, we get money from those governments to stage a Formula One track there. Great. Nobody turns up to watch the race. The grandstands are empty. The track is drivel. You can't overtake on it. Nobody watches it on TV because it's boring. Dangerous driving is what the fans want.
Give the people what they want!
Ile masz tam koni? A on mówi, no jak wyjeżdżał w skali produkcyjnej, to miał 72. Niezły wariaty.
Zajebiście ten łuk robi Paweł, widzisz?
Ale on teraz bliżej chodzi, bo teraz nie wiedzie.
On go zawsze, kochanie, na zewnątrz wyrzuca.
No łuk, to on teraz bliżej.
Pawa świata to wyglądają jak jakieś ksenony.
Niezły wariaty.
Oh, you shouldn't have done that. You've got to start from the back next time out. That's not sport. That's not interesting. That's not exciting. That's ridiculous. Dangerous driving is what the fans want.
Give the people what they want!
Ile masz tam koni? A on mówi, no jak wyjeżdżał w skali produkcyjnej, to miał 72. Niezły wariaty.
Zajebiście ten łuk robi Paweł, widzisz?
Ale on teraz bliżej chodzi, bo teraz nie wiedzie.
On go zawsze, kochanie, na zewnątrz wyrzuca.
No łuk, to on teraz bliżej.
Pawa świata to wyglądają jak jakieś ksenony.
Niezły wariat.
The world is full of people who will take risks. Always has been. Put them in the cars, let them go wheel to wheel, don't have any stewards.
Give the people what they want.
Niezły wariat.
Zajebiście ten łuk robi Paweł, widzisz?
Ale on teraz widzi chuj, bo teraz nie wiedzie.
On go zawsze kochanie na zewnątrz wyrzuca.
To łuk, to on teraz widzi.
Niezły wariat.
Dangerous driving is what the fans want.
Give the people what they want.
I don't know, 16 races a day if that's what it takes. And you start from the back if you win one. I don't care. Radicalize it. Totally change it.
Give the people what they want.
Blanka, ile masz tam koni? A on mówi, no jak wyjeżdżał w skali produkcyjnej, to miał 72. Niezły wariat.
Zajebiście ten łuk robi Paweł, widzisz?
Ale on teraz widzi chuj, bo teraz nie wiedzie.
On go zawsze kochanie na zewnątrz wyrzuca.
To łuk, to on teraz widzi.
Prawa świata to wyglądają jak jakieś ksenony.
Dangerous driving is what the fans want.
Give the people what they want.
Przejedź się z nim. Przejedź się z Pawłem.
Sorry, I was ranting a bit there, but they can all f*** off, the lot of them.
Azt a kurva